In this video, I'm going to teach you something interesting about pocket option AI, and you can start to use this concept, this strategy with the AI to make profitable trades and make profit for you for lifelong. So this AI is really new. I hope pocket option will gradually start to advance this AI and you can utilize this AI to make profit for yourself. So watch this video very carefully because what I have noticed is those binary options trader, almost maximum of binary options trader instantly want to make profit. They don't even want to see the loss. Their heart start to beat when they start to see some trades that goes in loss. So if you don't have that mindset, otherwise you are never ever going to make profit while doing this kind of trading, and it's better to quit this kind of trading if you feel so and if you are not willing to accept the loss. Even with the AI trading you are going to make the loss, but with the appropriate theory, appropriate concept, you can obviously start to make profit if you did everything that I'm going to show you in this video. And also, if you want to copy my trades automatically into your pocket option account with the help of the social trading feature of pocket option, then do join my free telegram channel. Link will be in the first comment below and the description below. Just join that free telegram channel, read the instructions there and start to copy my trade. So I have done several tests with this AI, and there is a concept that have worked while I was doing the test. So as I tell you in every video, no matter whichever indicator or whichever strategy you use, nothing is going to work for the 100% of the time. So it is always better to find out the real time when any strategy or indicator is working by using and by testing that strategy or indicator in your demo account, not in real account. And if certain strategy or indicator is working at that real time in your demo account, then switch to real account and start to trade with that exact indicator or strategy, and you will obviously have fruitful result. The same thing goes with the AI trading. So if you are trying to use this AI trading, then first it make some test in your demo account so that you can find if the AI is working at that real time or not, if it is giving you profit or not in demo account. And if it is working, then switch to your real account and start to trade in your real account. Now, there's another thing that I have noticed. While you are making trades with AI, then you should only make up to 2 losses and you should target unlimited profit. So let's say you made one trade in this currency pair. The first thing is you make all of this currency pair favorite, that is non-OTC. I would suggest you to trade with this AI only in non-OTC pair and decide the amount that you want to invest. So if you make any of these stars yellow, okay, in this way, then the currency pair will appear at above. So go to the first currency pair and make a trade with AI trading. So no matter which time frame you have selected, either it is M1, M3, okay. So let's say you have selected M1, and if you make trade, then AI can make trade of 1 minute 30 second or 3 minute or 2 minute, okay. That thing will happen. So there is no any use of this time frame that you have kept at here, the expiration time, okay. So make one trade, and if you make profit in that trade, that's fine. Make another trade in another currency pair. But if you make loss in this trade, then you have made one loss. So make trade in another currency pair. So if you have made loss in this currency pair, then stop trading for that day because your two loss have been confirmed. But if you made profit in this trade, then make trade in another place. Up now you have made one loss only. If you have made profit in this trade, you make another trade with AI in this currency pair. You keep on doing it. You target the unlimited profit and only limit your loss up to 2. You can limit the loss up to 3. That's your choice. But I would suggest you to 2 losses. But if you, because if you make, let's say you make 2 loss today, you make 2 loss tomorrow, you make 2 loss in 3 days. So total loss is of 6 trades, right? So let's say you are making trades of $100 each. Now your total loss is $600. And in the 4th day, let's say you made 10 trade profit. So that means you are in profit. You have covered that those previous days losses. That is the concept that you need to use, because while making trade with AI, you don't need to think much. You don't need any kind of strategy or that thing. So focus on this kind of management so that you can become profitable in long term, not just in short term. So if you are confused right now, then you can rewatch this video. Also, I would suggest you to watch one of my video that will appear anywhere in the screen, where I've shown you how you can increase your $10 into. So how I have increased my $10 into $2,500 by using a simple strategy that will absolutely blow your mind if you haven't watched it yet. So do watch that video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.